When you have competitors on the level of these women, you just know it's going to be a great match.
Beautiful technique.
Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
Drop kick.
Oh, great height.
Irish curse backbreaker. Be careful not to get disqualified.
Uh-oh. And Sasha Banks just not looking good here. This is not how she drew this one up.
She's looked off her game almost all night here, guys. And to be honest, I'm a little surprised.
Nailed it.
She might have it.
Side slam. Perfectly executed, guys.
This is going to be big, one way or another.
This could end it in a hurry. Ooh, you gotta believe this one's over. She got it.
Sasha Banks is in a bad way now.
The boss looks terrible at the moment.
She goes for the cover.
1, 2.
Looking to steal one there, perhaps.
That would have been a shocker.
Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. Sasha Banks is showing a lot of heart here, but can she turn this around in her favor?
Oh, what are they going to do here? Oh, the clover leaf. Check out the torque on the back. Oh, what are they going to do here? Oh, the clover leaf. Check out the torque on the back. Better be careful not to get disqualified.
Harsh impact.
Oh, what are they going to do here? Oh, the clover leaf. Check out the torque on the back.
Up and down. What a slam.
Sasha Banks is not looking good here. Momentum is clearly not on her side here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
Guys, she's going to be feeling the effects of this beatdown for days, maybe even a week. Who knows? Alexa's just plain scary when she gets going like this.
Vicious knee.
What a stomp.
Good grief.
Alexa Bliss is in position.
See if she has it in her.
Swinging neck breaker. Whoa, what a dive. Oh, this is not good at all. The pendulum backbreakers. Sasha Banks.
That right there is why they call her the boss.
Sasha Banks might be back in this.
Oh, man, she's rolling now.
I think she's trying to prove a point here.
Oof.
Bringing it back into the ring. She's on the defensive now. We've certainly seen her withstand worse in the past, though.
It should be noted, though, guys, that her opponent is still in far worse shape than she is right now. Alexa's just plain scary when she gets going like this.
Bankrupt. Now it's time to capitalize. But can Sasha...
Here's her cover. 1, 2, and there's the kick out.
She is ready for a fight tonight.
Look at her go.
Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, what a boot to the face! Keep your eye on this one. Looking at it a second time.
Whoa, Maryse dodged that one.
Beautiful technique.
Perhaps thinking about what to do next here.
Well, better not think too long, though.
You can see the confidence just beaming from her right now.
Now let's just hope Banks has enough stamina to pull through.
Might as well tear the features clean off your face.
Back now inside the ring.
Rough landing.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle.
Nailed it. She can pick up the win here, guys.
There it is. Now the question is, can Maryse finish this?
This might be it. Oh, my.
She's licking her chops.
Drop kick hits the mark.
Byron, in the world of romance, this is what we call
Kiss.
Au revoir, Byron.
Wow, will it be? 1, 2. She's got her where she wants her. Oh, the backstabber.
Into.
Sasha with a bank statement. The bank statement.
That right there is why they call her the boss.
When she gets in attack mode, look out.
Harsh impact.
Oh, talk about getting flattened.
Yeah, she's going to be feeling that one for a while.
Neckbreaker. Alexa Bliss is taking on a lot of damage. I'm not sure how much more she can take. She might just have nothing left to give at this point.
I'm not used to seeing this. Given what they've shown us here tonight, it's a shame that one of these women will have to walk away on the losing end of this one.
what a drop kick right to the back.
You gotta believe this one's over. Look at the look in her eyes. She's in the zone now.
What a strike. Drop kick hits the mark.
And that one does the job.
It definitely dropped her, but I'm not so sure it's over yet.
Putting it all on the line.
Oh,
Mat slam.
with some attitude.
Look out, Alexa Bliss is measuring.
Oh, man, she's rolling now. She is on fire.
Slap!
Oh, no, you didn't.
Yes, she did. Ooh, what impact.
Yeah, she's getting after it, showing great energy.
Maryse looking. Ooh!
Warm up the bus. This one is over.
Boom, what impact! She shows signs of life.
She's showing a lot more than that.
Oh, the backstabber.
Into.
Sasha with a bank statement. The bank statement.
That should do it.
Oh, man, I'll tell you, it didn't look any less brutal the second time around.
A driver. Going all the way up.
Pick the leg.
Oh, man.
That'll tear you. Incoming.
Get her through.
Oh, this is dangerous right here. You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, going to the top, high risk. We know what this means. Look at this. And she comes up short.
If you're going to leave your feet, you got to make sure you're going to land the move.
Oh, now it's the boss with a little smack talk.
Incoming! Alexa Bliss, not done yet. Insult to injury. This one's over, guys.
Here we go for the win. 2. What a stomp. Good grief. How much more punishment needs to be dished out? Just finish it. You have to wonder how much more punishment she can take here in this Tornado Tag Team match.
Well, this is where we're going to find out what these women are made of. They appear to be absolutely drained, but I'm willing to bet there's no quit in them.
Look at this. We're looking at complete domination here. Oh, an elbow drop.
Oh, it's a piercing elbow.
Tornado DDT.
Viking DDT.
A high-risk maneuver in the works from that top turnbuckle. Momentum clearly in her corner. Ooh, what impact.
Game, set, match. This one.
Nasty impact.
That's it. That's what she needed.
She goes for the cover. 1, 2, 3. The pinfall and the victory.